Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. First of all, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram. If you are not using an updated version, first of all you have to update it from Play Store or App Store. You can use this feature of Instagram from any of your device, iPhone, Android or anything else. So without any further delay, let's begin the tutorial. To enable Vanish mode on Instagram, first of all you have to open your account. Then you have to go to your inbox and open the chat which you have to vanish. For example, I am opening this chat. So I want to vanish this chat. For this purpose I just have to swipe up and then release, and vanish mode is on. So basically in vanish mode, seen messages will disappear when you close the chat, and vanish mode is shared. For example, if you have turned on the vanish mode of the person whom you are texting will also be on automatically. Similarly, when the vanish mode is on, the messages will be disappeared as soon as you seen them. Okay, so now if you want to turn off vanish mode, you have to just swipe up again and then release, and you will come out of the vanish mode and all of your messages will be appeared. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye.